everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Flybuys. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser and in the search box type in Flybuys login, and from the search results click on the first link that you see. You'll end up in the official website of Flybuys. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on join today at the bottom of the screen and follow the instructions to register. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and type in your member number or your email address that is associated with the account, and now move on to the next field and type in your password. Once you type in your password, you can go ahead and double check your password by click on this eye icon at the right corner. In case you've forgotten your password, click on forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to your new password. After you're done entering all the credentials, click on sign in and you'll be logged into Flybuys account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.